Well, I just have to come out and say it. The big news is Supergirl has bombed at the box office. It was expected to earn around 50 million in North America, but it only brought in 38 million, which spells absolute disaster for DC. Please join me as I share my honest thoughts. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you out there are having a truly amazing day. So let's cut to the chase. Supergirl is in a box office dilemma, and it seems that DC doesn't know who this film is aimed at, as it is certainly not suitable for children. Now, with this film being in a crowded marketplace with Toy Story 5 down one end and Minions and Monsters down the other end, this movie really needs to appeal to kids. But it seems that this Supergirl is a little bit too dark. This girl comes to the screen with a rebel attitude, salty language, and murderous intent. This is a full-on revenge movie, and it may be suitable for teenagers, but they've lost the general kids market, and that could spell danger for Supergirl. So it's yet known whether Supergirl will capture the teenage market. I think it needs to hit right there. But then again, teenagers might think, no, I'm going to pass this one by and I'll go and check out Obsession or maybe Backrooms for a second or third time rather than support Supergirl. So whether or not Millie Alcock's attitude is going to sit well and titillate teenage minds and get them on board, that is unknown. But I think so far the marketing's a bit of a misfire. It hurts me to say it, as I loved Superman with Corin Sweat so much. I really felt that that movie tried so hard to bring an old school spirit to the Superman character, yet also revitalise it in a fresh and new way. And it had energy, it had sparkle, it had comedy, and Corin Sweat just suits the role to a T. There is a little bit of a short teaser out there which shows Millie crash land on Earth and have a conversation with David, and that scene is very charming and appealing. So I think that will increase numbers, but for some reason Supergirl just doesn't have the right vibe. And on another note, I think there's a lot more people out there who want to see Jason Momoa as Lobo than Supergirl herself. And that is a bit of a disaster in itself, as Supergirl is the headline act. And really, some of the early commentary on Supergirl hasn't been kind. Those that have seen it feel that the villain is totally unspectacular. There is just nothing going on there. He's a bore fest, isn't even given a character to speak of. And they've also said that Jason Momoa, although cool, needed a little bit more screen time. So everything's pretty mixed, but I guess if you're interested in a Mad Max meets Guardians of the Galaxy / Supergirl movie, well, this could be just the ticket for you. So have you seen Supergirl, and would you recommend it to families? I think the vicious ending of the film is enough to say that it's a no-go zone for kids. And for me, that spells problems. And I wonder if anybody else out there feels the same way. Please share your honest thoughts in the comments below. And also, do you think that Supergirl was predestined for failure? Have your say. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.